So do you feel like you're lost in the VA world of government bureaucracy?
This is hot off the press, right here, right now.
911, where's your emergency?
Hi, well, I want to report that I apparently got left in a VA facility, medical facility, and the alarm has been going off.
Here I am inside the Orange City VA, and everybody's gone home.
Keep that straight, then how are they gonna keep the more important things straight? So it's just an indication that there's still a lot more for them to do.
Hello, everybody. My name is Barry Horvath, and this is Moving Forward TV, your local market update.
And I am DeLynn Gaston. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to our first live show. We're excited about this.
How come it says your name over me, though? I'm
Well,
confused about that.
Details.
So how about
Because
that?
I'm the headliner?
Oh, because you are the headliner. Okay, yeah.
That's good. Yeah, okay, yeah.
So how come we get
How
all
about
this,
that guy?
That guy in Orange County. I don't remember his name, but how do you get locked in the VA
Orange
office?
Park, wasn't it, or something? Why does this all have to happen in Florida?
I don't know.
It's always Florida.
And then he gets to
Something's going on.
film the whole thing going on, and
Getting
nobody
left
knows he's
in
there, and
with
the
the
alarm's
alarms
going off.
Can
What
you
is up
imagine?
with that? So we're here to talk about how great the VA is, and that comes out this morning. So that's kind of
And
like.
we had this plan, so that's not fair.
So really-
but that's the medical offices.
Yeah. So why don't we go ahead and talk about the real benefit of VAs? The
VA loans is what we were going to talk about.
It's clearly not going to your local VA office, sitting there waiting for 3 hours and
Just to get your prescriptions filled.
Yeah, that's,
not
not good. The VA loan is absolutely a wonderful loan, and I think it's virtually being untapped, unused.
Right. It's
and
definitely
been
underutilized right now.
It's been forgotten. So there's a lot of great things about it, and I think we need to talk about what's so good about it today.
Especially being our local market here in Florida, we are the third largest home to veterans in the country. So
what do you want
we've
to
got
talk
a lot of them here.
Yeah, you think?
And
I
not a
didn't-
lot of them are using it. They did some surveys and stuff like that, and very few, something ridiculously small, like 12% of the veterans here actually have VA loans.
So what is the reason? Are we uneducated? Is the consumer not know? Do the veterans not know? Are the real estate professionals afraid of this loan?
D, all of the above.
That wasn't one of the choices. What if there was going to be an E and F here?
G, all of the above.
H. All right, let's keep going. H
The bottom line is-
and headliner.
And headliner.
DeLynn is the headliner.
The
today.
bottom line is all of the above. Everyone is afraid of this loan. So we figured let's educate everyone and let them know it's nothing to be afraid of. And first we wanted to start with the veterans themselves. Kind of like give you, I'm going dark here, kind of give you an idea of some of the things.
What else is new?
Stop. All right. So first of all, some of the benefits of it for the veteran. No down payment.
No down payment is a huge benefit. Hang on to your cash, because cash is king.
That's right.
So I believe it is one of the few and true 100% finance loans available out there. The days of the 80-20. Hello,
Yeah.
Are you guys hearing me? 80-20. Do you remember those days? Or the 125
What's
loan
that?
programs, or the 115s. Those are gone. I mean, USDA and VA pretty much
Are the only ones that have no down payment.
so
this is a big benefit to our veterans out there. No down payment is required. So that's like a huge thing off of any first-time home buyer or second-time home buyer, bringing that up. What is the eligibility on it? Well, anything other than dishonorably discharged. That doesn't allow.
Okay, we were talking about the benefits of
I
why
know.
they want to do this.
And how they're eligible.
What are you talking about honorable discharge for?
Dishonorable.
Or whatever.
If you've been dishonorable, you can't have a VA loan. But honorable discharge you
Why
have to
we're
have.
not, we're still going to fight.
Well, I was going to go into the certificate of eligibility, and don't get scared because a lot of people get very confused with this. On your certificate of eligibility, if you've gone online and looked at the website, and John, I know you can pull up that VA website for people, which is just huge on information.
I'll tell it.
They can
I give it
go.
while-
Yes,
while
you can give
talk?
it while I'm chatting.
Benefits.va.gov/home loans.
There you
Okay,
go.
there it is. Woohoo! That's not it.
Anyway, on that
That's it.
on that site, it talks about how you get your certificate of eligibility. On your certificate of eligibility,
little
it's going to
hurricane on
say you are eligible for $36,000. And people say, well, that's not going to buy me a house. That's
Oh, yeah.
a problem.
That's going to get you a
No.
really good cracker box.
That's not what it is.
Actually, it's based on service tenure. So
Correct.
I believe the minimum on it will be 4 times that amount.
Right, 4 times that
and
amount.
Obviously, if you've given more service time, you could have 10 times that, 20 times that, or whatever,
Right.
whatever the case may be.
So if you do the math, $36,000 times 4 is $144,000, and you say, well, that's not going to help me either because the house I want to buy is $250 or something down in St. Pete.
$250.
That's not a problem either.
St.
Yeah, I know. That's a small one in St. Pete, huh?
Yeah, well.
That's okay too, because there are calculations that they do to get you up to where you need to be. The maximum loan amount in the Tampa Bay area is $417,000.
That's true.
So if you're under that, you're golden, not a problem. Don't worry about that. But if you're over that,
All right, headliner, I'm cutting in here.
I was going to say, now you can take it.
Gee, thanks, Miss Headliner. All right, so did I call you the headliner 3 times?
Yes.
Okay, all right, I need more coffee. Anyway, 417 is the base loan amount if you're going to a 100% loan. However, if you can do actually what I would call a 75% loan to value of anything over 417. So basically, anything over 417, you're going to put down 25% of that amount.
Or a little less in some cases. There's a calculation that they do. And so if it is more than that, don't fret. It's
Right.
still a great loan, and you can still probably get in for very, very little down.
Here's a rough math because my brain works different than the headliner over here. So if you're doing a $617,000 loan, simple math says somewhere about, give or take, $50,000 would be your required down payment. Not bad for 100% financing, a one-time MI charge,
Right.
and no monthly MI.
Right.
So can we go back to
And
that
again-
of why people should use this loan?
Yes.
Because I think one of the big reasons is FHA today, as we know it, it's a wonderful loan. And of course, there's Fannie and Freddie low down payments. Those are great loans too. But the VA, if you're eligible, the costs overall, I think, are much less than if you are going to go with the other type programs, simply because of the monthly MI factor.
Right. You don't have to have, the VA loans do not have a monthly, you've heard the phrase PMI or mortgage insurance, like with FHA or low down payment conventional loans. VA doesn't have that.
And FHA is now up to 1.35 on a monthly basis. So
Right.
if you're getting a wonderful 4% rate, hypothetically,
That's great, but
you're really paying 5.35 effective rate when you stack on the 1.35 monthly MI rate. So that's a big difference,
Right.
compared to VA, where you're not paying that monthly. So
right. Some of the other awesome benefits is it is backed by the U.S. government. So
that's a benefit.
yes, well, it helps the lenders
Did
out.
you see that guy this morning? And
Yeah.
go pick up your prescription drugs there. That's
the
a
medical
huge
side.
benefit.
That's the medical side. The other thing is there's no prepayment penalties with this loan, so that you can pay it off at any time. You can use these loans over and over again. There is what's called a VA funding fee, a guarantee fee that they put on top. They finance that in. So again, that's nothing out of your
Right.
pocket. It's financed in, and it's based on how many years you were in what branch of the service, if you were active, non-active, reserves, or full
I
military.
want to back up.
Okay.
I want to talk about why it is. I know this is
Okay,
hard.
we only got 2 minutes though.
All right, well, I'll just
We're
be
live.
quick. I'll give the Reader's Digest version or the government version, okay? We're on break, so sorry about that. The real reason you want a government-backed loan is because of the ease of underwriting, because the VA is basically
Right.
guaranteeing the bank that you are going to repay this loan. So, if your credit score's in the 620 neighborhood, you're going to get better terms by going VA because the government is backing your loan.
They got your back.
They got your back. So if, I would not be afraid of this loan if I were a veteran, of course. So
I would be looking for this loan if I were a veteran.
yeah, and I think really people should be utilizing it more, and they're not. So why? What are we afraid of?
I don't know.
Come on, headliner, tell them.
I don't know. We're telling them all the reasons not to be afraid of it.
Yeah, so absolutely. So are we going on break here or what?
Yes, we have to take a break. We will be back in just a couple of minutes. Stay with us.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
My name is Dr. Becerra from New Tampa Pediatric Dental, providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
When I go to Dr. B, they don't do anything to hurt you.
I used to be afraid, but I'm not now. I'm not afraid of the dentist anymore. I love to see Dr. B.
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Revolutionary in his field, Dr. Bonatti created, perfected, and patented the Bonatti spine procedures. Using his genius, Bonatti invented precise tools necessary to minimize surgery, scarring, anesthesia, and recovery. So successful are the Bonatti spine procedures, they consistently reflect over 94% patient satisfaction. 45,000 successful procedures have been performed exclusively at our location. Nearly half our patients suffer from failed back and neck surgeries at other facilities. Bonatti succeeds where others.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
The environment here is really kid-friendly, family-friendly. The parents are welcome to watch.
It's definitely been a different atmosphere since Dr. Becerra has come on. It's very inviting and welcoming, and the children just enjoy coming here all around.
My middle son did not like to come to the dentist, but now he loves to come to the Beehive.
You don't have to be afraid to go to the dentist.
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Mortgages don't need to be complicated. At Norcom, we're here to guide you through the process. By following our tried and true path to success, we make homes happen. To get started, give us a call or apply online. A trusted mortgage consultant will reach out to you to find out what your goals are. Whether you're in the market to purchase a new home or refinance your current home, we are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. At Norcom, we'll provide a best-in-class customer experience. Once a plan is established, your mortgage consultant will analyze your income, assets, and credit profile in order to customize a plan for you. If you're planning on moving in the next few years, we might suggest an adjustable rate mortgage to be the best option for you. If you're a veteran, we'll get you started on a VA loan with 0% down. And if you're thinking long-term, a 30-year fixed loan might be your best fit. Our professionals are up to date on market trends and will help you make the best decision in choosing your rate. After we've found the program that's best for you, we'll then need to collect some information, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax forms. Our underwriting team steers a loan through the approval process to verify that all the information you've provided is correct. As the underwriting process is taking place, an appraisal is ordered to determine the value of your home. A professional, local appraiser specializing in your area will determine the home's value. The last leg of this journey is closing your loan. While taking care of any last-minute details, our closing team will work on scheduling your closing date and location. It's that simple. Thank you for taking some time to walk through the mortgage path with us. Remember, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. It may seem intimidating, but here at Norcom Mortgage, we make homes happen.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
Providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
Coming here, you're not just like an ordinary patient. You're actually like treated like a family member, and like you're treated like he actually gets to know you and makes you smile.
Welcome to New Tampa Pediatric Dental, and we are the Bees!
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Hi, I'm Derek Brooks, former linebacker for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. During my NFL career, I realized the importance of giving back and started my foundation, Derrick Brooks Charities. We help Tampa Bay youth prepare for a successful life through our college prep and mentoring programs. Our goal is to see youth excel academically and develop strong characters and be better citizens for tomorrow. To further our mission, we've teamed up with Fun Night, a company that gives members access to thousands of nationwide discounts on products and services they buy every day. These include entertainment, retail purchases, dining, and travel. Best of all, 33% of every membership fee goes to the charity of your choice. We love being able to save our supporters money while giving them a unique opportunity to support our charitable work in the community. I invite you to consider using Fun Night to save money and give back to your favorite cause. Visit www.funnight.us to sign up now and get a free 30-day trial. Save money, help others with Fun Night, and support Derrick Brooks Charities.
Who's my favorite football player? Mr. Derrick Brooks.
Love Derrick Brooks. He just does so much for the kids.
I can't
and
believe
stuff,
you've
doesn't
never
he?
seen that. He like brainwashes those kids, and he does a lot of outreach in the community. And
he's a great man.
Yes,
I do
he
know
is,
that. I always
but-
hear that. I didn't hear that commercial or that.
Yeah, he's just got all these kids on the school bus, and he like brainwashes them to sing that. Who's my favorite football player? Mr. Derrick Brooks. I can't make this stuff up.
Yes, you can.
Oh, you're right.
I've seen you. And that Fun Night, that's a really good thing too. People should check that out. It's a good way to get out on the town, that Fun Night.
Okay, let's go.
US.
What
All
are
right,
we doing here?
back,
Let's get
anyway,
out.
back to veterans. I wanted to back up real quick on our veterans and
Look,
stuff.
you're the headliner again.
I wanted to back up real quick because we were talking about, before the break, we were talking about
I'm just going to drink my coffee.
the funding fee.
Since you're the headliner.
The funding fee, VA imposes a funding fee when you are using your VA eligibility for a home loan. There's a funding fee depending upon the percentage, and it's either you pay it in cash at the closing, or it's financed on top of your loan, so you don't have to pay it. I did just want to say that it is, if you are a disabled veteran, it is waived, or if you are a surviving spouse.
That kind of waived?
Or if you're a surviving spouse of someone who is,
serious.
I know, stop it, and you're throwing me way off as usual. A surviving spouse of someone who was passed away either from their service injuries or during active combat, then there is no funding fee at all, which is a really good thing. That saves some money too.
Don't say they waive
goes away.
Because this is
They
waiving to me.
Okay, the fee goes away.
That's actually
there
a
is
great
no
thing.
fee charge.
No,
it
that's
is a
good.
great.
That is really nice though that they do that. All right, and of course, VA loans have assumable financing features too.
Which is another great
Yes.
feature.
And I'll tell you when this is really, really good. Right now, mortgage rates are very, very low.
All-time lows.
Yes, and it's a great time to buy. So
Are they going to stay this low?
Yes.
Forever.
Otherwise, they're going to pull our show off the air because we won't be able to afford to do this anymore. So if mortgage rates go up, now you're interrupting me. I don't care.
How do you like it?
How do you like me now? So if mortgage rates go up in the next couple of years, say to 6%, 7%, 8%, 12%, whatever you think they're going to go to. Yeah. Ooh, scary
Let's say
stuff.
the double digits.
Depends on who gets elected in our government, I suppose. Anyway, but that's a whole nother show. Hey, we need to do a
Not
show
going
on
there.
that. Let's do a show on rising rate environment.
No,
so if
not
rates
going
go up, you can actually, you locked in at 4, another veteran could come in and assume that loan at 4, even though the current market rate on mortgages may be 6 or 8% or 5% or whatever. So basically, it makes that property more appealing to the next buyer.
You sell your house a lot faster.
You'd sell it faster, and you could probably get more money because, I mean, everybody's all about monthly payment.
Right.
So that's just my, go ahead, headliner, it's all you know. I'll just sit here and drink my coffee.
They are all about monthly payment and how much do I have to bring to the closing table? Those are like the two key questions that we always get, right?
Yeah, I really like the French vanilla creamer in there.
No
Can we get more of
wonder
that?
you
Do we have a
just
sponsor for that?
Anyway, the other thing is on veterans. Veterans actually pay lower in closing costs than on a normal loan because there are certain closing costs and things.
What was that loan? What kind of loan did you say?
On a VA loan, didn't I?
No, you said a normal loan.
A normal loan. What is normal, right? Yeah, there's no such thing. I'd be normal.
Can we do a show on normal loans, please?
That would be like a 1-minute show, right? There's no
Okay,
such
thanks for
thing.
coming. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Anyway, we get like digress fast, don't we?
Yeah, we can easily.
All right, so we're going into closing costs and things like that the veteran has to pay and doesn't have to pay. There's this wonderful list we have, and it's called allowables and non-allowables. And this is where the realtors come into play because everyone is afraid of this. The realtors who have a house listed, they get nervous when a veteran comes to look at it because they think right away, because my seller's going to have to pay a whole bunch of stuff.
It's not that much.
It's 2 pages worth. No, I'm kidding.
So don't worry about it. You'll be fine.
But it's not that bad. And we have this list on our website, or email us or call us or something, and we can definitely send it to you.
You could go back to the U.S. Government site again and find these.
Right.
But you can almost Google non-allowables, and you'll get like a gazillion different ones, but they all say the same thing. So.
And it's really not that bad, especially the way that they have restructured it. But that being said, there are definitely things that the veteran is not allowed to pay. Oddly enough, I just had one very recently. I had to like stop the wife at the last minute from going and meeting the termite guy to tell her, you can't pay for that.
Really?
Yes.
Did you go meet her?
Yes.
Or did you go meet the termites?
We called her really quick.
Yeah.
But anyway, so that's one of the upfront things. Everything else, for the most part, is at the closing. But it's not that bad. So don't be afraid of it, and especially the way they do things these days.
Yeah. So do we want to go over the list of the non-allowables?
We can go over that quick if you want.
I think we should do the Reader's Digest.
All right, but I need my glasses.
But you're the headliner, so you get to read it. Okay.
No.
So,
all right.
You know what? The big thing is the 1% origination fee that can be part of it, which in today's world, if you're dealing with a direct lender, that's typically your underwriting fee or any processing fee. That's really part of your origination.
It's part of the origination, so in most cases it doesn't come into play anymore.
Exactly.
The things that really do come into play is the settlement fee, the closing fee. The title companies are not allowed to charge that,
Right,
so that has to be something on the seller's side.
You actually cannot put on your settlement statement underwriting fee
at all.
At all. So it shows as origination fee. Yes. So that's it. They allow 1% of that. But yeah, the settlement fee is going to vary, of course, by the title company. So again, if the seller does not pay that, or you, the real estate professional, are willing to pay that, because you guys all want to make less money. I know you're willing to come to closing and just take that out, right? No, that's a bad idea. Make sure you know this up front to put it in the contract that the seller is going to pay the non-allowables.
Right. And again, it's not that much. It's only a couple of things.
I would say, in most cases, the cap, just so you know, on a VA loan is 4%, where on FHA, the seller can pay up to 6%. On a VA, it is 4%. So put that in your contract and make sure, no more than 4%. But if you get 4, you're going to be safe. It's probably more like 1 or 2%, depending on your loan size, of course.
And some of these other ones, to be honest with you, a lot of lenders don't even charge them anymore. Document prep fee, they're not allowed to pay.
Pest inspection fee, is that the one?
Pest inspection fee. The two that I think are really important to know up front is the pest inspection and the settlement fee, because those are things that have to be done negotiating at the time of the contract.
How about the email fee?
Email fee, copying fee, assignment fee, attorney fee.
So if you're a veteran and you email us a question now, it's not allowable, okay? We can't charge you anymore, where before we were going to charge you. That's a joke, of course.
And a lender's inspection fee. And again, we don't do that. Appraisal fees are fine. And for the most part, that's all we do.
A copying fee?
Yeah, I know.
Did people really used to get away with that?
I don't think yeah, they did.
I know.
For
and
a
attorney
while.
fees, if it's something other than title work. So those in attorney states are very common. I mean, we don't see them too much in Florida. But obviously down here, we are a title state. We are not an attorney state. Not that attorneys don't do a wonderful job in closing our files here in some cases. So
look at some of the other things.
Look at that. A fax fee.
A fax fee,
Okay.
a photograph fee, postage fees.
Photograph fee here.
Notary fee, amortization fee, trustee
This is a
fee, commitment
non-allowable.
fee, selfie fee. No, I'm kidding.
Not allowables.
Truth in lending fee, mortgage broker fees are not allowed to be charged. And tax service fees
And a lot
are
of
not allowed
people
to be
are
charged.
charging the tax service fee, so that's, you know, and a lot of lenders are bundling that in now too, but you got to watch
But if
that.
it gets bundled into the 1% origination fee that is allowed, which most of them do now, everything is fine. And things that are, the title company is sitting here saying, wait a minute, we don't get paid. You are allowed to still charge for title searching, title examination, things like that, title insurance, all of that can still be. But so like we said, what we've seen, everyone knows it goes on the seller's side. It's not that much. Don't fret. It's not that big of a deal.
Well, it can be though, because your underwriting fee, and I mean, it's probably, I'm guessing, $1,700 to $2,200 neighborhood.
That most of the time will fall into the 1% origination.
Exactly. So don't panic and say, I'm not doing it VA. I can't sell it.
It's really not that bad anymore.
It's best for your borrower, and it'll come back to you, and it's a good loan for a veteran.
It's a great loan for a veteran.
It is. And don't worry about all the other fear is the appraisals and so forth.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's talk real quick because we got to take a break in a minute. But the appraisals, they're not as bad as they used to be. Yes, they don't want the house falling apart.
Why?
Ceilings falling in and stuff like that.
Is that a bad idea? Is that a normal loan?
That would be normal down here. But and again, they want to make sure that nothing's wrong with the house. When the veteran walks in, they don't want him to have to dump a whole bunch of money into fixing, $7,000 into fixing a roof or something like that.
Front in that, so.
That's very pretty. So again, it just has to make sure that
patronizing me to shut up. We just got to go to break here, so.
The house can't be falling apart. We're going to take a break. We'll be back in just a minute.
I got to get more coffee.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
My name is Dr. Becerra from New Tampa Pediatric Dental, providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
When I go to Dr. B, they don't do anything to hurt you. I used to be afraid, but I'm not now. I'm not afraid of the dentist anymore. I love to see Dr. B.
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Revolutionary in his field, Dr. Bonatti created, perfected, and patented the Bonatti spine procedures. Using his genius, Bonatti invented precise tools necessary to minimize surgery, scarring, anesthesia, and recovery. So successful are the Bonatti spine procedures, they consistently reflect over 94% patient satisfaction. 45,000 successful procedures have been performed exclusively at our location. Nearly half our patients suffer from failed back and neck surgeries at other facilities. Bonatti succeeds where others
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
The environment here is really kid-friendly, family-friendly. The parents are welcome to watch.
It's definitely been a different atmosphere since Dr. Becerra has come on. It's very inviting and welcoming, and the children just enjoy coming here all around.
My middle son did not like to come to the dentist, but now he loves to come to the Beehive.
You don't have to be afraid to go to the dentist.
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Mortgages don't need to be complicated. At Norcom, we're here to guide you through the process. By following our tried and true path to success, we make homes happen. To get started, give us a call or apply online. A trusted mortgage consultant will reach out to you to find out what your goals are. Whether you're in the market to purchase a new home or refinance your current home, we are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. At Norcom, we'll provide a best-in-class customer experience. Once a plan is established, your mortgage consultant will analyze your income, assets, and credit profile in order to customize a plan for you. If you're planning on moving in the next few years, we might suggest an adjustable rate mortgage to be the best option for you. If you're a veteran, we'll get you started on a VA loan with 0% down. And if you're thinking long-term, a 30-year fixed loan might be your best fit. Our professionals are up to date on market trends and will help you make the best decision in choosing your rate. After we've found the program that's best for you, we'll then need to collect some information, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax forms. Our underwriting team steers a loan through the approval process to verify that all the information you've provided is correct. As the underwriting process is taking place, an appraisal is ordered to determine the value of your home. A professional, local appraiser specializing in your area will determine the home's value. The last leg of this journey is closing your loan. While taking care of any last-minute details, our closing team will work on scheduling your closing date and location. It's that simple. Thank you for taking some time to walk through the mortgage path with us. Remember, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. It may seem intimidating, but here at Norcom Mortgage, we make homes happen.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
Providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
Coming here, you're not just like an ordinary patient. You're actually like treated like a family member, and like you're treated like he actually gets to know you and makes you smile.
Welcome to New Tampa Pediatric Dental, and we are the Bees!
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Hi, I'm Derek Brooks, former linebacker for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. During my NFL career, I realized the importance of giving back and started my foundation, Derek Brooks Charities. We help Tampa Bay youth prepare for a successful life through our college prep and mentoring programs. Our goal is to see youth excel academically and develop strong characters and be better citizens for tomorrow. To further our mission, we've teamed up with Fun Night, a company that gives members access to thousands of nationwide discounts on products and services they buy every day. These include entertainment, retail purchases, dining, and travel. Best of all, 33% of every membership fee goes to the charity of your choice. We love being able to save our supporters money while giving them a unique opportunity to support our charitable work in the community. I invite you to consider using Fun Night to save money and give back to your favorite cause. Visit www.funnight.us to sign up now and get a free 30-day trial. Save money, help others with Fun Night, and support Derek Brooks Charities.
So we're back, and we're going to put all this into a little nutshell that maybe you can understand, and the benefits and everything of the VA loan. So,
Summarize up. Yeah, I'm out of coffee. Time to summarize.
all right, let's get out of here. I'd give you some of mine.
All right.
But, no, it's mine.
we were mentioning before. I can't see anything on my clock. We were mentioning before that there are
sucks to get old, doesn't it?
It does. 16.4 million active duty service members and military veterans who have mortgages in this country, and less than 12% of those.
That's actually sad.
Are VA loans. Isn't that sad? That's horrible.
Sad.
And this is like the best loan on the market.
And
it really, truly is.
And I'm telling you, and why is that? Because maybe their lender was lazy, doesn't understand it. Maybe they don't do VA.
Didn't ask you, right?
Maybe, and
didn't explain it to you, the benefits of it.
Yeah, when you're dealing with somebody, I would say, go to somebody who's going to look at the best loan option for you, because the VA loan option is a great one, but it's not.
It's the best out there.
And
there isn't a better one.
Well, there's cash. Sorry, did I say that out loud?
Yeah, that's not better for some of us.
That's really bad for the mortgage industry, but I'm just saying. I disagree. Cash is an awful option. You know where I stand on that.
So we wanted to try and change everyone's mind, and we hope that we were able to do that a little bit. Some of these websites, there's a great organization, and they are.
Here, she knows her stuff.
Again,
my mind is made up.
It is. It's a wonderful article here. The Veterans Association of Real Estate Professionals. It's VARep.net is their website, and John has it on here. And of course, we're going to have a link on here, and we'll keep it on our website so that you can go to it. John's our producer, sitting back there in the corner, waving at us.
You think we should have told him that?
Yeah, he knows.
All right.
But anyway, along with the veterans website, the regular benefits website.
Okay, so are we going to wrap up this show?
Yeah, we are.
So right now, just get us out there. This is our first live show. I'm afraid of
share.
What this is going to look like. So I apologize in advance of any mistakes we made. or
I know.
We're just
of any rattling that we did.
we don't really cut anyway, but that's all right. It's all fun. So get our show out there. We're out on Facebook. We're on Twitter. We're on LinkedIn. And your battery just went.
And my battery is dying anyway.
So once we're out of coffee and the battery dies on the laptop,
it's time
show
to go.
is over. So get this
out
my
script
and share it. And of course, you can see it on easymortgageanswers.com and what else?
And that's it. We appreciate everyone watching. Thank you so much. We are today and every day trying to help this country
moving forward.
Thanks for watching. See you next